How to add Injective on MetaMask application. Are you guys facing issues to add Injective on MetaMask application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MetaMask on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now tap on the plus icon, click on search bar and search for Injective. In order to add Injective on your mobile device, just take this box and hit the next button. You can see the option for import. Tap on it. As soon as you hit the import button, Injective will be added on MetaMask application. And that's it, guys. That's how we're going to add Injective on MetaMask application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding MetaMask application, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.